back in HQ. So we're on another episode. Let's go. Testarossa in for a treat. Look at this bad boy. Come in from the UK. Welcome back to the channel. So Testarossa in for a treat. Like I said, from the outside we got tweeters with change 8-inch driver. We think it would be a 6.5 or 6.5 inch. The stacker for factory, we're going to rip that out. Have our amplifier rack probably to the passenger side, and then run the sub on this side with the backing straps there ready to go for us. This guys, piece of history. Left-hand drive too, amazing. What I'm gonna show you. Stay tuned, guys, and watch the magic happen. So sitting in the hot seat, it's left-hand drive, 6-speed, 5-speed, my bad. So the old head unit is a Sony. We're gonna change it. Much like ETON setup with a JL sub, 8-inch active. So good. Nice little Sony head unit. It's a stacker. Cassette player, bro. That's legit, man. I reckon we should keep it in there. Oh, the lighting's not the best, but the stacker's there. It's all this magical. Powerhouse. Machine, it's a beast. The fun begins. So we're going to remove the Sony stacker, the radio, see where we're going to mount the amplifier, most likely. So the speakers on the kick well, the floor kick. I've got one here on the bench. This is 6.5 inch. Looks like a good speaker. $30 watt RMS. And impedance is 4 ohm. Interesting. So there you go, guys, from Ferrari. 60 watts. RMS is 30 watts at 4 ohm. We got our ETON range. RMS is 125. Fits nicely. We're just working out location for our amplifier, which will go in that little middle console behind the dash. Speakers will go in, and we've got to have some fun remounting our tweeters and then rerun the head unit. Amplifiers and the subwoofer is going to go here in the back shelf. Stay tuned. Let's get it.